Do you want your artwork to jump off the page? Before you dig into color theory, there's a few things you need to do first. One of the major ways that we show depth is by showing the difference between dark and light. A picture with just lines but no shadow and light won't have any depth at all. You can take a subject, and once you even just put in pure white and pure black, it automatically looks more three-dimensional. So here's an exercise to try. Take something you want to draw or paint and paint it in just black and white and see if you can create that sense of three-dimensionality. Another way that we can create depth is by having shapes that overlap. In this section of the painting where there's no overlapping shapes and there's no shadow and light, everything looks really flat. But in this section here where you can see the shapes overlapping, it creates that sense of three-dimensionality. The more realistic we want something to become, the more specific we have to be with our shades of black to light. This is called tonal values. It's not sufficient enough just to paint with black and white, but we also have to get all of the gray values in between. And this is something that's totally separate from the hue and saturation of color. If we look at a picture of a landscape, we see all of these colors, but if you turn it into black and white, you can see that there's simple shades from black all the way to white. And when you are mixing up a color, the main thing you want to get is that shade between black and white. One of the best exercises you can do is to paint from a black and white photo. That way you don't have to worry about getting distracted by color, and you can just focus on all of those tonal values from black to white. The more that you do that, the more that you'll train your eyes to actually see the tonal values when you are working with color. And when you do learn full color theory, you'll still be able to focus on those tonal values and get the depth and the realism that you're looking for. If you made it this far in the video, please hit the like button, and remember, you have a voice that matters. Go be creative. I'll see you next time.